Hey G Squad, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this Parmesan meatloaf, and then I put it on top of some egg drop noodles. And y'all, when I tell you, it tastes so good, my mouth is just watering. But in any case, you want to see how I put together this nice juicy cheesy delight, then keep watching. Alright family, so I have all the ingredients here on the counter, starting with the meat. So today I'm just using some ground chicken, but you can use whatever type of meat you want. It could be ground turkey or ground beef. I also have a bag of this mozzarella, shredded mozzarella cheese. And then I have some seasoned breadcrumbs. Also I'm using some grapeseed oil. Then I have some onion powder. I have this Kickin chicken seasoning. I picked this up from Marshall's in the gourmet section. Also I have some complete seasoning. I'm using basil leaves. And I'm going to list all these ingredients in the description box too, okay? Then I have some garlic powder. And then the spaghetti sauce that I'm using today, I have this Ragu chunky sauce, and it has mushrooms in it. So yeah, I'm going to use that. And I have one large egg. Okay, so that's pretty much everything. So yeah, let's get to now putting this baby together. So now I'm going to use some of this grapeseed oil to coat the bottom of my pan so my meatloaf won't stick. So I'm adding this just to give it a little glaze on the top. So I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. So now I'm going to pop this in and allow it to bake. Okay, so after baking for 25 minutes, this is what our loaf looks like, nice and juicy. Let me tilt this a little so you can see. Oh, and it smells amazing. So now I'm going to add some spaghetti sauce on top. going to follow that up with our cheese. Okay, so now I'm going to pop this back in the oven and allow it to bake for another 10-15 minutes till our cheese is melted and nice and brown. Alright family, so there you have it, this nice juicy meatloaf topped with sauce and Parmesan cheese, and then I paired it with some egg drop noodles. They are the medium sized noodles, and y'all, this it tastes so good, so good. But anyway family, thank you once again for stopping by to see what your girl was cooking up today. I appreciate it, and look forward to presenting you all with the next video. Until then, be blessed. Happy holiday to you and yours, and stay uplifted, in prayer. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye. Hey family, I just wanted to pop back in and show you the noodles that I use. I refer to them as egg drop noodle. But you know how when you're saying something, you're like, wait a minute, it doesn't sound all the way right. And sure enough, when I look, it's egg noodles. But these are the ones that I use, okay? Bye.